Hi everyone, and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony, and today I'm going to be showing you how I like to make tzatziki sauce. Tzatziki sauce is a light and refreshing sauce that goes great on pitas. You can even use it as a dip. It's made out of some Greek yogurt and cucumbers and garlic, and it's absolutely amazing. So I'm going to show you how I like to do it. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt. We're also going to need 1 cup of cucumbers that have been shredded or diced. I'm going to show you what to do with those. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of dill, and some salt and pepper to taste. The first thing we're going to do is take our cucumbers and we're going to put them on some cheesecloth that has lined a bowl. We're going to squeeze all the excess water out of these. The reason why we want to do this is because if you don't, your tzatziki sauce is going to be real runny. We just want to squeeze all the excess water out. Now that all the excess water is out of our cucumbers, we're going to put in our Greek yogurt on top of them, and we're going to stir this up till it's thoroughly combined. Then in with our lemon juice, stir that in as well. Our garlic, get that mixed in, and our dill, get that thoroughly combined as well. Add some salt and pepper to taste, and your tzatziki sauce is done. I'm going to plate this up. I'm going to use it as a dip and have some fresh pita chips, so I'll show you how I like to do that. Have a nice beautiful plate here with some fresh pitas and carrots. Just going to take our sauce, go right in the center, pile it nice and high. This sauce is so great. It's nice and refreshing. It goes great on chicken, beef, other vegetables, chips. Possibilities are endless. Let's garnish this with a little bit more fresh dill. All right, let's get a taste. Now tzatziki sauce is that easy to make. Let's dig into this and get a bite. That's so good. It's light. The Greek yogurt is very refreshing. You get that earthy tones and the refreshingness of the cucumbers. The dill adds a nice little earthy tone in there. The garlic has a nice little bite. This is a fantastic tzatziki sauce, and I hope that you try it yourself. Hope you enjoyed this video as well. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel as well. It's called Tagged Out, and I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.